Hello everyone, I am Isha Patil and I welcome you all to my website named India at Tokyo Games 2020. Here I have divided this website into these many sections and I have given a small description about what this website is all about. I've used a marquee above, then bifurcated this page into two sections. On clicking Olympics will reach the Olympics page wherein I have these sections. Then I have given the highlights of the games, then the medal tally, then the images of Olympic medalists along with the medal which they have won in their respective sports. Then I have used a marquee again. Then I have incorporated some frequently asked questions. Then I have made a comment section where you can share your views. I have made a post comment button below, and as you press it, you'll get a message prompted in your screen. Then I've made a button which scrolls to the top of the page. Then we can go back to home, then go to the Paralympics section and you can see the Paralympic Games, their highlights. The marquee used above again. Then India's medal tally. Then the Paralympic medalists along with the medal they have won and their respective sport. Then I have incorporated this thought-provoking image over here. In the comment section, post comment button, scroll button. Then I have made a section at top left where we can toggle between Olympics and Paralympics. Then going to winners profile, here we have Olympians and Paralympians. On clicking Olympians, we get to the profiles of the winners in brief. And here I have made a hyperlink wherein on clicking we can reach to their Wikipedia page if we need to read about them more. Then similarly, I have incorporated the profiles of each and every winner in brief and made the redirect section for each and every player. You can pause and read about them if you wish to. Here to read about the hockey team, I have made the hyperlink where it redirects to the official website of Hockey India where you can know about each and every player in detail. Then pressing the back button, then Paralympians. Then we get to know about each and every Paralympian in detail, and I have made a section similar as to the Olympians wherein I have made a hyperlink which redirects to their Wikipedia page. You can pause and read about them if you wish to. Then clicking the back button, then we go to the gallery where it shows the glimpses of victory. I have made a marquee using table and the images, and I have incorporated the famous Amul cartoons which were made to give the tribute to the Olympic winners and the Paralympic winners. Then I have included some images of the players playing their respective games. Then going to the video section, where I have incorporated some historic moments captured during the sports event at Tokyo. Now playing the Neeraj Chopra highlight.
पर यहाँ पर क्या शुरुआत कर सकते हैं सुपर थ्रो से। पहला अटेम्प्ट भारत के नीरज चोपड़ा का इस मेंस जैवलिन थ्रो फाइनल में। अच्छा क्रॉसओवर, रिलीज भी अच्छा। और लीजिए क्या जबरदस्त शुरुआत। जिस तरह से क्वालिफाइंग में देखा था सिद्धार्थ कि फर्स्ट थ्रो से पूरी तरह से गियर्ड अप थे, इन द जोन थे। ये थ्रो भी 86 मीटर से ऊपर का थ्रो है।
Now going to the About Me page. Here I have incorporated the information about me in short, then the contact page and mentioned my contact details. Then I have made a feedback form which says that your valuable feedback will help me to improve and provide better service on website. I have floated some questions regarding the website and the answers could be given in one among the 4 options in the form of radio buttons in HTML forms. Then the submit button says thank you. Then you can even reset the form if you just want to change the options which you have earlier selected. Then a section to know your valuable views and a prompt message, thank you. So this was all about my website. Thanks for watching and your comments are welcomed.